Hi, so we're building Strux, and we decided to build this after realizing vibe coding and all these AI tools is rapidly affecting the launch time of startups. So we want to be there for them when it comes to site reliability. The problem, of course, blitzscaling and shipping fast is the goal for everyone. But when you do that, you make mistakes. These mistakes can affect user experience, and they don't come back. So we want to make sure while you're pitching or, selling out the product, you would like to make sure your software is actually good and reliable. And we do this through a URL input. And let me show you a demo. We'll start with, let's start with a bad example. Here's a company I built. It's an ed tech company, and we made some problems with it, but scaled it to 40 school districts. You see that header, and we'll run Daytona after. But here's the metrics we look at: response time, current load. Wow, 65. And then here's a very good example. Perplexity is also a good example, but this will get you amazing marks. Like you'd see, response time and security headers, performance consistency, everything that is important.
So what does Strux do? Strux takes a URL and runs through 8 focused health checks. These health checks are some of the most vital security checks we need for a site. These include response time, concurrent load, security headers, performance consistency, heavy load stress, rate limiting, error handling, and endpoint resilience. All of these are real in-time network calls. It bundles up the results of these calls into a stability score from 0 to 100, plus a short summary with a list of issues by severity. And so Sentry use. We wrap every Strux run in Sentry. When you click the start test, we run a Sentry trace for that run. For each health check is a step in that trace. Sentry records how long each test takes and whether it passed or failed. If something breaks, we send the error to Sentry, with which the test failed, for which result. We store the run ID. You can copy that run ID from Strux and paste it into Sentry and see the full runtime of that exact run.
Why matters, but I guess we've covered why matters in the beginning a little bit.